Okay, this is our second stop of the day, April 29th, with our second batch of fish. I'm with large lake specialists Nick Slusher and Nate Hodgins of the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources. And again, it's April 29th, and we're on a tributary of Rainy Lake, and we're doing a walleye survey. And let's see, what do you got there? Oh man, that's a nice one there. That's a 30-inch plus fish, probably closer to 32, I'm going to guess.
Green. All right, so 766.
I'm going to clip the tail in case they catch it again. They'll be able to identify it as one that's already been caught. What a dandy. There she goes. Looks like a right female, very fat fish. Not quite ready.
685.
Well, we got about another 30 fish to go, as you can see.
537.
Guys, it's been a lot of fun. I'm going to wrap this film up because we got a lot of fish to do. Been a lot of fun out here on the boat with you. The Department of Natural Resources doing a wonderful job here in Minnesota, as I'm sure they are in all states. Thanks a lot, guys.
No problem. Recapture.